Most IELTS students lose easy marks in writing, not because their English is bad, but because they ignore these simple tips. Here are 7 IELTS writing tips that can instantly improve your band score. Tip 1. Never copy the question directly. The examiner already knows the question. Paraphrase it. Change the vocabulary and the sentence structure. That immediately improves your score. Tip 2. Your Task 2 essay needs clear structure. Don't just write random ideas. Introduction, Opinion 1, Opinion 2, and Conclusion. A simple structure equals a clearer band score. Tip 3. Stop writing tiny essays. Aim for around 150 words in Task 1 and 250 words in Task 2. Too short or too long leads to automatic mark loss. Stick to the sweet spot. Tip 4. Learn common IELTS spelling words like environment, government, and accommodation. Tip 5. Don't memorize full essays. Examiners recognize them quickly. Learn structures and ideas instead. Tip 6. Use linking phrases naturally. Instead of firstly, try one key reason is or ultimately. Tip 7. Always leave time to check your grammar. 5 minutes of checking can increase your score massively. IELTS writing is about smart strategy, clear structure, and accurate grammar. It's not about being complicated. Follow IELTS Education 25 for more Band 7 plus IELTS hacks. See you in the next one.